Hi everyone, welcome. Well, today I'm going to clean my wood insert chimney liner. It's a stainless steel liner, and it's been about a 7-month heating season here for us on Vancouver Island. It's a little different than your typical freestanding wood stove or masonry fireplace because there is no clean out to get all the creosote and ash out of once you clean the chimney. You have to actually take apart the inside baffle on this stove because all that creosote and ash and all that's going to come down the liner and right into the fireplace. There's no other way to get it out of there. On your standard masonry chimney, there's usually a clean out outside on the at the bottom on the masonry part or in your crawl space or basement. Yeah, this is a little different. Once a year is fine as long as you're burning dry wood. If you're not burning dry wood, I want to do it twice a year.
So there's a little cotter pin up in here. You just got to grab with your pliers. It's bent at one end, so I just made it flat there, so that comes out. I suppose you could leave this out if you wanted, but I'm gonna put it back. And then there's these tubes up in here. So you just push one way, and then it falls down over here, and you just push it the other way. And that comes out of there. So I just put that down on my drop sheet. So then once you get that first one out at the front, there's this fireproof, I don't know what it is, some kind of baffle in there. There's a bracket at the front that fire plate sits on. You just kind of push that up over top of it, and then you can pull that baffle forward and tilt down. Okay, so this just comes down. It is a dirty job, so prepare yourself for that. So we want to get that down in there. And you just gently turn it, maneuver it around till you can get it out of there. So that's up in there now. You can see where the chimney liner hole is there.
The main thing is to get this out of the way because all that creosote has to come down into the firebox. So this needs to be out of the way. And you can get away with just removing one of these. You can get these rods. Our house is only 1 story, so if you have a 2-story house, you're going to need a few more of these rods. And they thread together. I like to put some tape just in case. Last thing you want is these coming apart on you inside the chimney. So yeah, but this is a great tool to have. Got the brush on the end there. So, and they come in different sizes for different size liners. So that's what you get if you burn nice dry wood. Now I always burn the fire nice and hot for the first hour or so. Most of that creosote gathers at the very top where it cools down. That's 7 months worth of burning softwood. If you burn wood that's damp, you need to do this halfway through the season. So not too big a job, but important to do. I mean, that's how much I got, not even half a bucket of creosote out of there, for 7 months, which is pretty good. That's dry wood, so pretty easy to do yourself. Anyways, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.